it's teacher Anita here. I just want to thank you for all your hard work that you've done this year. I know that's been tough, but I just want to encourage you to continue doing your best, as you know I always do.
Thank you ever so much for yet another wonderful year. Thank you for your dedication, your determination, effort and hard work. I wish the next year brings you all that you need to have a wonderful, pleasant and comfortable life, and may you all be rooted in love, understanding and growth.
Hi guys, I just wanted to say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. You've all been doing a fantastic job this year, and 2024 is another opportunity to keep up the good work. And I want to remind you that the holidays are times for drinking lots of mulled wine and eating lots of delicious cakes.
Maybe continue just doing something in English during the holidays. There are plenty of Christmas movies in English that you can watch. Read some books, read some magazines, go online, and I will see you next year.